Welcome to a day in the life with me. I am an immigrant here in America, so spend the day with me. Like, now we're going to work. Let's go. Okay, so dumating na ako sa work. Siguro 30-minute drive siya. I love it. I love that drive. I work as a project manager dito sa Fresno, near Fresno sa California. I do project management. I do marketing strategy. I fucking love my job, dude. Me getting coffee.
Usually nagkakape ako, pero ayoko magkape today.
Okay, dyan ako nakaupo, guys. I sit there. Now, lunchtime na kasi, so I'm making like a fit check. Tapos pupunta dito ngayon yung partner ko, my husband, and my dog. So they're gonna join me for lunch today. Yeah, I absolutely love kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Like, papakita ko sa inyo, ang cute niya sa labas. It's like puro mga restaurants, whatever, and I take like a 45-minute walk every lunch. So yeah, I'm excited for my family to join me. See ya. Okay, inad ko to. Naglalakad ako punta sa kanila because my body was here. Like, yun na sila. Okay.
Yun na sila, guys. Woohoo! My baby! Hi, guys! Okay, happy lunch to me.
These are all different flavors.
Yep, we got some sliders. LaCroix got some croissants. Woohoo! Tapos we also got some sweets here. Woohoo! Okay guys, I'm home. I forgot to film. But yeah, after work, we just both chilled here. Right? Oh my god, we're watching Flip Top! Okay, so nasa 75 hard kami. So ito yung outdoor workout namin. I'm playing basketball with my husband. And I can't play for shit, so... So, tinatry ko matulog talaga kasi gusto niya itong ginagawa. Pero kita niyo naman pangit. Pero nakashoot ako isa. So, bugo siya also. Tingnan niyo to. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nag-cartwheel for 5 times dire-diretso. Pero sobrang funny nung clip nito. But yeah, we had a fucking fun time outside because I love our outdoor workout. Yeah. Kami lang man dito. And then we're gonna hit the gym after. Okay, di ako nag-film dito pero look, body tea or something. Okay guys, so nag-dinner kami. I forgot to film it again. I'm so bad at this, but basically, we just had some pad thai from Costco. I know it looks gross, but this is my life. Now I'm eating a chocolate. This meal was so good. May nakita kaming like kimchi, and it's so freaking good. We're so happy. But Harold has to work at 12 midnight. I think I'm gonna shower after. See you.